Hi, my name is Nate Carn. I'm a driver engineer with the City of DeLand, Florida Fire Department. We are about 35 miles east of Orlando and about 20 miles west of Daytona Beach. And this is our new tower truck that we have just purchased from Pierce. We have been in the market for a new aerial truck, and our last one's getting put out to pasture, I should say. But we were able to strike a deal with Pierce and get this stock truck for us and to fit all our needs of our growing city and our growing department. And aside from, right now we have a 75-foot straight stick ladder truck, and this is just going to be something that fulfills our needs a lot more as we are growing. So we ended up going with the 100-foot tower truck with a bucket. And as you can see here, one of the biggest things that our department is doing right now is we have a big cancer initiative going on in our department. So you can see that we don't keep the air packs inside the compartment right now. We will keep those on an outside compartment just to prevent all the carcinogens from fires or anything making their way into the cab. We also have this equipped with this HAAS device up here, which is a little bit newer technology where it will alert drivers using the Waze app or any of the newer vehicles when a emergency response vehicle is approaching, so it can tell them there's an accident, there's emergency coming up behind you, anything like that, and also alert other trucks with the same technology when we're approaching different intersections or anything like that. So, but as you can see, I can't really tell you a lot about the color scheme because it's always been white and blue and no one has a rhyme or reason why it is, but it does definitely stand out and it's a beautiful truck for sure. So as part of the clean cab concept, the cancer initiative that our department's going through, we'll be storing our air packs in this compartment right here on these fold out trays. Well, they'll be mounted right here so the firefighters can come in, grab their pack, and go. Once we're done with the fire, we don't introduce any of those carcinogens back into the cab, so they'll hang these back up here and keep everything isolated in this compartment right here. So back here on our bucket, we're going to have the option, as you can see on this one right here, using a fog nozzle, or on this one over here using a smooth bore. It just gives you a little bit of different option when it comes to water flow. Around the side you can see our saw boxes up there where we're going to keep chainsaws, K12s, everything like that, anything we want to use for vertical ventilation, rescue,